my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today we're going to be making a simple recipe of banana bread. Let's dive into the procedure. So before we start, we have to butter and flour our pan to prevent the bread from sticking when it's out of the oven. Get the sides of your pan coated with the flour and then you dust off the excess. So for this recipe, we are going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Sieve. Keep this aside. Crack 2 eggs in a separate bowl. Add half a cup of brown sugar. Add a tablespoon of vanilla sugar. You can replace a tablespoon of vanilla sugar with a tablespoon of vanilla flavor. And then lastly, 100 milliliters of melted coconut oil. You can use any flavorless oil of your choice, even vegetable oil. Mix. Set this aside. Wash 3 bananas, peel and mash. We're going to be using bananas with brown spots. This gives extra flavor to your banana bread. I'm going to be using a fork. This is the consistency we aim to achieve. Set this aside. This is our sugar oil mixture. Next thing will be to add our bananas into the sugar mixture. Mix. Don't forget to mix up your flour after sieving. So the next thing is to add our flour in batches. Gently mix to incorporate the flour into the mixture. Make sure you scrape the sides of your bowl. So our banana mixture is ready for baking. So you can add nuts of your choice or chocolate chips. Take it to the oven and bake at 170 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 minutes to 1 hour. I'm just going to insert a skewer in the middle of the banana bread. If it comes out dry, that means the banana bread is ready. It's dry, guys, so we take the banana bread out of the oven. We allow this sit on the countertop for 5 minutes before we take it out of the pan. So the next thing is use a knife to separate your banana bread from the walls of your pan. Now we're going to use a wire rag to take out the banana bread from the pan. So we're just going to turn it over like this. So I prefer to rest my banana bread on a chopping board like this for it to cool down for approximately 1 hour.